Um, fighting Nergiganti.
Yeah. You're killing Nergiganti.
Alright. Oh my gosh, here we go. Alright, so I have to go to Nergiganti. Track the monster. Lose. Bye. Gosh. These tracks. Oh my gosh. I see Nergiganti. Oh, I almost hit him. That's good try, good try. Alright. Okay, I hit him. Okay. Oh, hit him. Alright, done 500 damage so far. It's like almost dead. Actually touching it. Oh my gosh, Nerfy Donkey hurts a lot. Oh, don't worry. Now I have the Dragon Pod. Observe. Phew. Wait. Phew.
Oh, you're gonna die. I knew it.
I was shooting my Dragon Pod. Why did I die? Oh, I discovered a new campsite because I died. Yeah. I died on purpose, actually. So I could discover this campsite really fast. But easy though. I still have 4 Dragon Pods left. 11 damage. Ah! I think I'm dying. Oh. I'm one shot. Oh my gosh, all me. And my Dragon Pod Slinger.
Hell yeah.
Oh, this Nergiganti kinda hurts. Oh my gosh, they actually finished this really fast.
Yeah, no. So
Is it
you don't have to
OP?
smell their feet anymore.
Pink Radiant. Speak to the commander.
Comrade.
Oh my gosh, a Poogie. What the hell?
That's a pig.
I need to pet it.
You can change the name as well. I name it as a pork chop.
Or how that change the name.
Change name. Yep, I literally just changed it as a pork chop.
Ah. Pork belly.
Hell yeah. Yes. Or you can just name it as emergency food.
Ah, now it's the one in the middle. Sometimes it makes you talk to the other guy. This guy. Handler. Oh, I have to go all the way up the stairs.
That's why you have the lift.
And I take it first. Is there anything I have to do?
Just make it us two, so we can just see.
Look at this guy.
Oh, you
I
have
have
to
to
see
go
the
up to the.
cutscenes also. Yeah, I forgot.
Oh,
So as soon as you get there, walk to the place that blocked by like rocked.
the rocks.
Yeah, the one you're trying to pass through. Like you just saying, "Oh, let me
Oh,
in."
the Nergiganti thing.
Mm-hmm.
I hate those little bitches. I'm like trying to open up my map and then they just like shoot like some poison dart at me. I'd be scared. I killed some of them though. Well, I didn't kill them. I just hit them and then they went back to their hiding hole. Oh my gosh, what could that be?
Cat.
Is that a Barroth?
Hey
Close.
yo.
Wait, I need to go back. I need to get some. Alright. We can just go in.
You can just do it.
Oh, NT. What? It's cheating. He hit me with the wings, but I couldn't hit it. Oh, he looks like he's gonna charge at me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, a stone. Alright, it's over. I'm one-shotting it.
Oh my god. But the main part of this game is basically after you defeat the last boss. So
Oh my gosh, my bitch.
you're ugly bastard.
No! The fuck? The Elder Dragons. What? I have to spell more feet?
No, you don't need to. Just speak all of them, and then I'll just gonna make the quest for you.
Oh. Great, great. Huntsman. Is this the guy that has the giant sword?
Hmm.
He has three swords.
That's not the main sword. Yeah, you literally can see the sword is
Big
laying
sword.
down. On right. Yeah, that green sword.
Oh, this sword? Shit.
That's the
Hard
Starfleet
though.
Master.
Oh, it's the bitch.
That's the MILF, one of the MILF.
Yeah, true. His mouth.
Wait, what's your
I was
hunter
like,
rank?
uh, it's either 13 or 14.
I need you to be a 14.
A
Okay,
14.
that's good.
Yes. I'm of your preference. What?
Hey yo.
What?
Hey yo.
Oh my god. What am I supposed to? I went the wrong way. Oh my gosh. I got some more beers. Observe. It's here.
No, you can talk with
Oh.
handler.
Where the fuck's the handler?
You're literally up there. You can see that
Okay.
white bitch, yeah.
I made her in the easiest spottable outfit ever and I still miss her.
So every time for the search quest, I'm just gonna speedrun it. But
Oh
like
girl.
in your quest, you're gonna do it by yourself.
You find the monster yet?
I did.
Fire zone? See what you mean by the cool drink is really OP. He stunned me, you fucker! Let me drink! Oh, I'm cool now. not alcoholic. Ouch! Ouch! What the heck, man? Why do you hit me like that? Scratching your ass. Let's see. What cool thing that is. No one's so cool. What the fuck? How do I get there? Okay, I just walked through.
Just walk through it.
It's a walk through. I don't. No. I didn't grease you for sure. I realized what you were trying to do, but I already held Y. I already held my charge button.
That's fine.
To breathe. Forward. Whack. Oh my gosh, the fire hurts. Ouch,
Hurts?
ouch, ouch.
Wow.
Discover a monster. It shall fall. Too late. Here to save the day. Ah! Ouch. How is he doing?
You suck with it.
Oh my gosh, I landed on something. Did I kill it? I had to kill
Yep.
it. Oh wait, actually I do kill it.
Yeah, this is the motherfucker you're gonna kill it.
Die, bitch. Die, bitch. Suck my dick. I'm charging up. Ah, what? I hit a skill. 1, 2. Ah. Why it's really annoying because I'm gonna hit it like half of the time. And it's not even like hitting me right now. All my weapon damages do like negative damage.
Yeah, you legit. I'm pretty sure you legit have to upgrade your armors and weapons to kill this elder by yourself.
I kill with slash damage. We have to hit. What? Everywhere is like gray. No damage. What the hell is this? Why am I seeing the 4th of July here? Attracting it. What could it be?
All the way up. Of fucking course. God dang it.
Okay, flew up. Motherfucker. Alright, well, I guess I'll just get this blue barrel. I'll find it. Barrel. Boom.
Huh?
I'm here. Here to destroy it. Alright. Went the wrong way. Let's go touch some earthy Gonti.
No, it's a Teotiskador.
That guy. Same thing.
It's an elder dragon, yeah, kinda.
Please fire at me. Basically the same thing. Oh, cool. Taking the cool drink. Oh, it was like one little bar. You see that?
Oh my god. Okay, now you're good. Now you're good. Now you literally can murder them. There
Yes,
you go.
got spawned at the thing. Easy.
Go talk with all the bitches, and then you're gonna do. You're gonna slay those elders that we killed.
Shoot, man. Can I talk with him yet? What? Isn't this the chief ecologist? Getting scabbed.
Now you have to half bag and then join, half bag and talk, half
And then I
bag
have
and
to,
talk.
talk to him
Yep.
again. Talk to him again. Yup. Alright, cool. Oh my gosh, how many people do I have to talk to?
3.
I can't be Bolty the Rock if I talk to this many people.
You're not a bunch of the
GG.
rug in the real life, though. Shut the fuck up.
I want to become the Rock. I may not be Bolty, but I want to
Yeah,
become
you're not
the
the
Rock.
Bochi. Shut the fuck up.
Ah, what the hell is going on? Okay, okay.
And you have to go back to Third Fleet Master and the research base.
The bitch.
And talk with the MILF.
Where I messed up. That's not the. That's not the milk.
That's not the MILF. That's fucking ugly bastard.
Shit's around.
The fuck, man?
Alright. Which one should I do first? Which is the easiest
Uh,
one?
the easiest one is the tail that we just killed, the lion.
The toaster?
Yup.
Wait, toaster,
Teostra.
right?
Yup. Teostra, Toastra,
The toast.
the toast.
Ready to kill the toast.